am talking to you from Sri Lanka. I am in Colombo at the moment, and I've been here for about 5 days. I have had an interesting visit. I've seen most of the city of Colombo. I've taken a tuk-tuk tour of Colombo. Tuk-tuk is a three-wheeler. In India, it's called auto rickshaw. It's essentially a three-wheeler cab. Because of its size, it is able to handle the traffic of South Asia much better than bigger cars. And so it is always convenient to take a tuk-tuk. So I took a tuk-tuk tour of Colombo. I met with several members of their strategic community. I spoke to people from at least 4 different think tanks, former academics, people who are very senior members of the Foreign Service of Sri Lanka. I met with people who have military and intelligence background, and I also spoke at the Colombo University. I'm very grateful to the faculty there for hosting me. I got a chance to meet with 3rd year and 4th year students who are studying international relations and diplomacy. And there was an extended Q&A session, and it was very interesting to listen to the kind of questions that the young Sri Lankans are grappling with regards to the world order, with regards to American foreign policy in the region, and also changes that are taking place in the global order. So it has been a great learning experience for me. So what I'm going to do in this particular episode of Conversation is to take a very broad and a slightly deeper look at the developments in Sri Lanka. I will look at their economy, at their geopolitics, at their foreign